Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete all the reels you've shared on Instagram on your PC with the new update. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Next, head to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the More icon or the three dots. From the menu that appears, click on Your Activity. This will take you to a page where you can see all the photos and videos you've shared on your account. Now look for the Reels section and click on Select. This will allow you to choose all the reels you want to delete. After selecting the reels, click on Delete and confirm the action. And just like that, all the reels you've shared on Instagram will be deleted from your account. It's as simple as that. We hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.